somebody should get me a phone. Mwebantu, I suffer to find angles. My phone is not very friendly. Welcome back. I want to share the last one for the day today. And like I said, I want to keep them brief but interesting. So here is the last one. I was on Facebook and I came across this picture of two fruits. A good fruit attached to a bad fruit. And the good fruit was beginning to go bad. Immediately, one proverb came to mind, and it's the one I want to share. Hi! Oh, please, let me finish my video. I'll be out soon, okay? I ran away because you disturbed me. I'm coming, okay? Hey. Let me finish this. I'm coming. Okay. Tell Daddy I'm coming, okay? So, a proverb came to mind. Umusuku ubifya impanga yonse. Just that picture, and there's that proverb already. Umusuku ubifya impanga yonse. It's there in English, even in the Bible. Bad company corrupts good morals. Bad company corrupts good morals. So, the interpretation is just that. The translation would be a bad fruit will spoil the entire field. Something like that. And the interpretation is bad company corrupts good morals. So here is my funny illustration in relation to this proverb. I hope there are no legal repercussions for saying what I'm about to. But my country, Zambia, recently went to the polls. We were changing government, okay, from council level to presidential level. We were changing all these positions. And what happened is because the previous government was associated with a lot of bad things, violence, high cost of living, corruption, name it. A lot of people went and just voted on that basis. It did not matter if there were good people in the previous government. The name they were bearing was that name that was associated with hard times for Zambians. So, at individual level, there were people who were well-meaning leaders. There were people who are not violent, who don't even support violence in any way, who maybe even gave their opinion and wanted to see better days for Zambia. But they were outnumbered, and so they lost those seats. They are not in government anymore because they were associated with this fruit. Be very careful who you associate yourself with. Be very careful the friends you are found with, because apart from denting your image, they will actually corrupt you. It's very easy for someone to copy bad manners than good. When you go into that company, into this friendship, you may be able to notice what is wrong. But the longer you are found with them, the more time you spend with them, the more it begins to look normal even to you. And before you know it, you will be that person and you won't even realize. You will become that fruit and not know it. So be very careful who you associate yourself with. Friends have got a way of impacting our lives. They may build you or they may bring you down. So choose your friends wisely. Please like, share, subscribe. Keep me here with those comments, those